Gonna catch me a rabbit. Well, shut my mouth. Rabbit tracks. All right, Mr. Rabbit, I've got you covered. Put up them hands or else I'll blitzkrieg you. Now, you march. You get going, Rabbit. Oh, no, you don't.
What's up, Doc?
I just shot me a rabbit, and you all, I was. Where's my gun? Where's my gun? Where is it?
Here you are, Doc.
Where is it? Which way do you go? Which way do you go?
There he goes.
Where?
There, go get him.
Don't do that. Now I got you, you little old fuzzy-tailed bunny. Uh-oh. I sure enough got you this time, you little old long-eared rascal.
What's cooking, Doc? Too bad. Too bad. Oh, well.
Say your prayers, Rabbit.
Now, wait a minute, Doc. Relax. Now, hold it a minute.
What y'all got there, man? It couldn't be a pair of them.
Shoot more bits, Doc.
You're waiting. Let them go.
Heaven's natural again, Doc.
Come on and be bad, Doc. Be bad.
Buck toss, pal. Here we go again.
4, 6, 3, Doc. 6, 3.
None my point.
Oh, no, not Doc. No, not. What's the matter with
Wait a
you?
minute, a new pair of shoes. There it is. All right, Doc. Shoot the whites.
Doc, don't fail me now. Well.
Sorry, Doc. I'm gonna kiss me every